Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to Brain Sizzlers. Today, we are going to touch upon the topic of work and time. In fact, we are going to see some of the basics of work and time. Let us consider with an example. Let a person A alone complete a work in 15 days. Let another person B alone complete the same work in 10 days. These they are supposed to do when they are doing it alone. Now, what is the time taken to complete the work when both of them join hands? Okay, let us approach this from a very conventional approach. Time taken for A alone to complete the work will be 15 days. So rather, in 15 days, A completes 1 unit of work. Therefore, in one day, A will complete 1 by 15 units, 1 by 15th of the unit of work. This is as per normal application of direct proportion. In 10 days, B completes 1 unit of work, and obviously in one day B will complete 1/10 of the unit of the same work. Now, when they are joining hands, the combined work done by both of them in a single day will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, and when we take LCM and when we combine them, it will be 15 plus 10 by 15 into 10 units of work. Again, by applying elementary logic, 15 into 10 15 plus 10 by 15 into 10 units of work is being done as a combined effort in one day. Therefore, for completing 1 unit of work, when they are doing it combinedly, it will take them 15 into 10 by 15 plus 10 days. So when we analyze this, hence the shortcut formula for time taken for combined effort for completing 1 unit of work by A and B, when they take respectively x and y days for doing it alone, can be given by x into y by x plus y. Now let us look into a parallel analogy in the distance time arena. Say for example, a scenario is given in which a person covers 500 km in 7 hours and a person B covers the same 500 km in 8 hours. If they are moving towards each other, what will be the time frame after which they will meet, assuming that they start from their respective places simultaneously? So the solution which can be done using the conventional approach will be, obviously they are going to cover 500 kilometers, and since they are starting from their respective places at the same time, the time taken to reach the meeting point will be same. So this gives rise to the equation that 500 by 7 into t, that is nothing but speed into time of person A, plus 500 by 8 into t, that is nothing but speed into time of person B, together will give us the total distance between them, that is 500. So this is the primitive linear equation for solving the time taken to reach the meeting point. So when in this approach, if we take t common outside and 500 also common outside on either side of the equation, we get an equation in this fashion. So this equation, finally the time taken to reach the meeting point gets modified into the format wherein we get a value 7 into 8 by 7 plus 8. That's obviously nothing but the time taken by both A and B respectively to cover the same amount of distance, same quantum of distance. So now compare it with the work and time scenario. So work can be equated to time and time can be considered equivalent to time itself. So in compared to the previous scenario, see here the 500 kilometer is being covered by both of them together. It's a combined effort to cover the 500 kilometers. So it's almost akin to completing a particular work by the combined effort. So applying the same logic, the final answer comes out to be T1 into T2 by T1 plus T2. So in order to complete the combined distance, okay, so the time taken to reach the meeting point is almost akin to completing the combined work by both of them in the same time frame. That is, when the work is being done by both people, the time frame will be the same, although the speed might be different, working rate might be different. So in this analogy, we arrive at a shortcut for a meeting point time taken. See, in this scenario, even if the distance is not being given, we can find out the meeting point time taken provided person A and person B's individual time taken to cover a particular distance is being given. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.